Hello, this is Relishing. This is my art of life.
各位好。
Hello everyone, I'd like to share this artwork with you. I use a piece of golden paper for the canvas and painted it with traditional Chinese ink. The bamboo frame complements it nicely. The poem I wrote for this painting is to commemorate a visit of dear friends of mine. We have known each other over 60 years. Let me now recite the poem.
客自遠方茶當酒，還現情深60年。一壺清香盡品茗，千山環嶺作畫屏。閒門松竹皆起舞，庭院喜鵲來作伴。千言罷語再千言，寫入畫圖看不斷。
The poem speaks of our decade-long friendship and their visit. The painting brings to life the scenes depicted in the poem. Each time I glance at the painting and the poem, it gives me the treasured memory of my dear friend's visit. I also wrote a couplet to echo the poem.
柴門盡顯求墨客，高山流水遇知音。
The couplet talked about my dear friends who are my kindred spirits. Chaimun, a rustic house, refers to this simple old house here. Despite my modest residence, my friends know I eagerly welcome their visit. A few seals I like to highlight: Yuan, affinity, and fun, relations. Yuan is carved in relief where the character is solid. Fun is produced in intaglio, the inverse of relief. In Chinese culture, Yun may not bring fun, but fun can only exist when there's Yun. Yun and fun exemplify the yin and yang concept, so I choose the two opposite carving mentioned here. I also use the seal yan, kindness. This speaks to the enduring connection I have with my dear friends.
上善若水。
This seal embodies the highest level of Taoist wisdom. Compositionally speaking, to create a visual echo for the poem, I decided to paint a simple and modest hut, nothing fancy, along with the pine tree and bamboo here. This imparts the audience with the serene and idyllic feelings of nature. The two birds here brings alive the visual of magpies mentioned in one of the verses in the poem. Unlike a typical Chinese black ink painting, where shades of black are used in place of color, I added a unique feature of white ink here for the waterfall. Overall, this work celebrates friendships and the special occasion of my dear friend's visit.
希望大家喜歡呢張畫，多謝大家。
Hope you like this piece. Thank you.